raining so hard. Luckily my cousin let me his rain jacket. Before I left New Zealand I was like, nah, I'll just get an umbrella there, I won't need my rain jacket. But I'm gonna go to Chinatown because I'm gonna get a new pair of glasses. I'm gonna get a coffee on the way. Just grabbed an umbrella from Family Dollar. It was $4. It's tiny. Right there, the symbol of hope.
It's so cool to see.
I'm in Chinatown now. I came here a couple of nights ago to get dinner and we just came through here at night. But now it's the daytime, so all the shops are open and it smells like fish. And I hate it because I don't eat seafood. But this is where I hope to get cheap glasses from. So yeah, I'll show you some street scenes where I can without getting my camera wet. But this reminds me of, you know, all those movies where like the mafia like chase through the alleys. I got a couple of you know, those tourist t-shirts from Chinatown, the ones that have like I love New York, and some NYPD ones, which I thought were really cool. Some tops are like $20 and some are like $15, but I managed to bargain it down. 2 t-shirts for $10. So just a tip, always bargain it down when you're shopping for those because they mark up the price. A short walk away from Chinatown is Little Italy, street with just Italian restaurants, which is where I'm going to try find lunch. I ended up finding a place to have lunch at in Little Italy. All the places there were like nice restaurants and I wanted something a bit cheaper, so I went to a salad bar behind me called Beyond Sushi. Going to the Natural History Museum where my cousin is waiting for me. Well, that was an adventure. I caught the wrong train getting to the museum. I caught the express and it just bypassed like my stop and then like the next 4 stops, and I was nervous taking the train back because like what if I caught the express one back and then just like missed my stop in between, but managed to get here, so wow. I just finished at the Natural History Museum. I love the dinosaurs, I love the real models that they have as well. I just want to show what the building looks like from the outside. Alright, going to find some food now because I am hungry. Hello! Still raining, so we're gonna go shopping. I'm gonna go to Macy's. Take a look around. Look at this guy trying to be arty. He's taking photos of puddles. He's literally taking photos of dirt and mud. How'd it turn out?
You're a hater.
They would get like maybe 3 likes.
Nobody watches your videos anyway.
We found like a little like pop-up market or marketplace. I think this is on the corner of 6th and Broadway.